Bad man not paid. When they baby mother, yo, Sheldon. Sheldon.
Yo, Riggs, what going, brother?
There man. Yo, what place, man?
You wanna know, so the man got number few, you know?
Man go load, man go number 2.
You feel that?
That not change up for me still. Brother, you want to know the last time? I look at cat I tell you about. I'm meet pan line.
Yes, I see him like a white cat there.
You want to see him like a white girl, man? You want to know what's the brother? I'm dreams here last night and 2 of you get married, brother.
Yeah.
Brother, right now I feel like these are lucky in brother. But you get right one, you know. I feel like I want to buy number 22, you see me? Yeah, man, white girl. And you want to know, say a full white bean in the mind, but well clean in the mind, well bush out in the brother. Yeah, man, well clean, man. So I go buy. I go deal with number 1. Yeah, and just drop in number 7 to come marry the man, you see me? Yeah, man. 3 grand for everything, see it?
Alright, brother.
So I'm going to Sherry, brother. Long time I you talk about
Yeah, man, Sherry, I'm going good, you know, Sherry.
Hold on. John Westar. Yo, me don't even want to answer the call line, brother. Brother, me don't even want. John Westar. Yo, Rick, so I'm going, brother. How is this?
Not me, man, Jason, man. What go on, brother?
Yo, what going on at school?
There, man, there.
Brother, change number for me, man.
No, man, I not change my number, brother.
Switch up number for me, brother. I don't know that number yet.
Brother, same number, me and man, nothing no change.
Yeah, man, you don't know the runnings garden, brother. We don't really answer the unknown number and them thing, then, brother. So I don't even know who this.
I know.
See number I call a couple times and I say, I don't answer.
Brother, my number in your phone, I don't understand.
What about me, G?
But you are, brother, you are going.
Eh.
Brother, me need about the money right now. I'm desperate for the money right now. I have something to start up on the weekend. I'm desperate.
Brother, you want to know something? Yo, listen to me now, brother. I don't even have a foot right now, brother. I'm face me there on a dragon, brother. Face on the ground, brother. I'm saying I'm desk right now, brother. I take back some more money from me, brother. I'm desk right now.
Brother, your face right now. Nothing can go on for the weekend.
But you want to start out something on the weekend?
Yeah, man, weekend, I want to start out something. I love to get that piece of food right now.
Hold on.
Brother, how much you say you want them for again?
Yeah, man, 3 grand, me say, brother, upon everything, man.
Was it 1722?
Yeah, man, separate 3 grand, man, so that's what, 9 grand? Yeah, man, 9 grand and everything, man. Yeah, brother.
Really wish we could get you back right now.
No, man, brother, as I said, brother, my face me depend right now. Face fully mashed off, you know, brother, jagger, you know.